that doesn't.
Well, it was obviously in a fire. And everything's melted.
Yes.
Dude, look at the fuel pressure gauge. Look at the glass.
Oh, there you go.
It's like bulging out.
Smoked. I mean, look at the plugs, like, everything is just so f***ing gone. Here's the map sensor. This could have something to do with it.
So was this thing just in for a tune and there was issues, so now we have to go for it?
Yep. Map sensor's not working. There's your somebody put an extension on it. So, I don't know. We'll see.
Coils are just laying there too.
If I take this harness back and nothing's wrong, it's most likely the fire that was on the hood.
I know. Yeah, map sensor reads 0.
Well, somebody put an extension on it.
Oh,
And it's
I can see that.
all hacked up, so I'm going in here to see if I can't see. And what is this? This was taped in the harness. What is this?
An extension of some sorts?
Yeah, just a random wire chilling there.
Was it even connected to anything?
Nothing on either ends. Just taped in the harness.
So what's the problem?
He wired it wrong. He, she, whoever did it.
You don't want to be sexist.
Yeah, I know.
A few moments later.
Well, here it is.
You're all done?
Yeah, the new one. New extension. I don't know why the guy wanted it so long, because it's really long, but I mean, I left it that long just in case there was a reason he wanted it that long, but as you can see, all the wires are the same length. Let's see.
Good job, Angry Eric.
Instead of taping the wire all up like he had it inside, there's no need for that when you're using wire loom. That's what it's for.
Right.
But I will put this on there like he had it. Put a few pieces of tape around it. Keep it on there, and then he will be set.
This one getting?
Cam, meth, and AK.
Oh, nice.
Measure twice, cut once.
No? Finishing up your mess system there, buddy?
Yeah, getting there.
Yeah, I'm coming for you next. About time you did some work. So what's going on with this thing? NA, blower, cam, headers, that's about it?
Yeah.
Meth too?
Yeah.
Nice. Cheer up, Eric.
Let me get this giant box out of the way.
Cheer up. So ready to fire up?
Yeah.
Checking everything.
Yeah, checking everything, just make sure it's got enough fluids in it.
So what all else? Obviously I see the meth is changed, fixed.
Yep, changed the meth. Got a different tank, it's in the back rather than washer fluid. So the washer fluid bottle is now washer fluid bottle again. Got the new different nozzles, pro meth nozzles, so they're not on top and bottom, they're on the side. Changed cams, valve springs, changed crank. It's got our fuel system on it. New main bearings. It's got a lower pulley on it now, or a different lower pulley on it, I should say. That's most of what it is, really.
Okay.
It's louder.
Oh yeah,
That too. We changed the exhaust.
That's right. They changed the exhaust. So it had what on it before? American Racing.
Had full American Racing from front to back. Now it's got American Racing headers to a Borla in the back. Full attacks. There you go.
Which are very loud.
Well, he still has the MPP function where you can close it.
Oh, look at Bill stepping in. Nice.
Hey, I'm just a janitor. I don't know.
What do you do with that broom there, bud? Well, enough standing around. Let's start this thing up. It's obviously already got a flash and tune in it, so anyways. Damn, when those valves open, it's nasty.
It is loud. That's what I'm saying. It's loud.
With it
Closed, it sounds good.
yeah, it's mild. I mean, you can obviously still tell it's got a cam and stuff, but it's mild. Taking my job, Tyler.
Yeah, the other one's gonna stay on plastic by now.
Oh, does he?
Like
Yeah,
feeling
because it means something's done.
It does. Hit the dyno. So you might remember this car. This is a 2018 C706 that we did a Pro Charger to not long ago. Well, last time we did the pump gas numbers and said we would follow up and do some E numbers. Well, we're gonna go throw it up on the dyno, put some E into it, see what it does.
75 there. Not bad for pump gas.
Okay, I'm gonna add the E now.
And 17.94 pounds.
Pretty good.
Yeah, let's do it.
How much, like half?
It's got like an eighth of a tank, I think. So yeah, probably half-ish.
Alright.